Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another true banger. Really excited to bring this one to you because it's something different, okay? It's something different, and I mean, guys, it's big thing, okay? We will get into why in a second, but first of all, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So why it is the next big thing, guys? It is because we are talking about world's only Bitcoin meme ICO called BitcoinPepe, guys. And we will go over the website, over the tokenomics, roadmap, and all of that in just a second. First of all, I want to, give you some small overview and talk a little bit about the project in itself before we get started, right? So first things first, guys, all of us know Bitcoin. It's obviously the king of cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin has some problems. First of all, it really lacks speed. Also, the fees are problematic sometimes, and so Bitcoin isn't also a meme, right? And right now memes are on the rise, like for example recent Trump coin or many other meme coins, right? Or Pepe in itself. Pepe is like a great meme, so they are definitely implementing a nice meme behind the project in itself, right? So other chains tried to fix the problems and they failed, right? The crypto market needs a meme-friendly layer 2. So that's where they come through, right? So they are building Solana on Bitcoin, as they describe it here. So it will be meme layer 2 for BTC, instant transactions, ultra low fees, and new PEP-20 standard. So it will let you launch meme coins on BTC, the only chain that will live forever. And this could be something insane, guys. Same with Solana, like the pioneering tokens are right now winning huge and have huge market caps, right? And these guys being the pioneer and providing other developers to launch their meme coins, this could be huge, honestly. And as you can see, they have 30 stages of pre-sale. They've been making a lot of buzz around this pre-sale, and it's actually insane because they have sold over 400,000, guys. 420,000 was raised in 90 seconds. Can you believe it? And 1 million was raised in under 6 hours, so that's absolutely huge. And you can check out the articles, right? It literally went viral 24 hours before launch. It is the first ICO like that. So 2025, and we are still getting surprised by projects, by developers, right? They also have fully transparent team and they are fully audited by Solid Proof. So that's great, and you can see that they have completed the KYC verification. You can always, check the team on the website, so that's what we will do. So what is the solution for all the problems that I told you about a few seconds ago? Well, BitcoinPepe is here to fix that. It's building the first Solana-like layer 2 on Bitcoin, guys. So it is creating the ultimate meme ecosystem, the PEP-20. So as I'm saying, they could be the pioneer here. So why it could be a good opportunity to jump into this project? Well, early pre-sale investors get in at the low stages, right? Stages are selling out fast and the price is also growing each stage. As you can see, you can always see the next stage price. We'll also go into white paper in a second. So this could literally be history in the making with this chain. This will definitely appeal to meme coin enthusiasts, but it's ultimately a very ambitious utility project packaged to gain traction in the market, if you think about it. So if the premise of moving memes to Bitcoin and building a decentralized exchange to support this all pans out, so if it all goes well, right, this could definitely be a very interesting opportunity that will appeal to holders as well as all the swing traders, because everyone can benefit often from these projects, right? So this is definitely a huge opportunity. And meme coins, guys, hit $100 billion market cap without Bitcoin, and Bitcoin in itself sits at $2 trillion without memes, and they are the first one to merge both of these, we could say, worlds, right? Because Bitcoin world is different, the meme coin world is different. They are merging this, so this could be really huge, and you can become part of the history if you want, obviously. It is available to purchase with essentially anything: Ethereum network, BSC, Solana, also card if you want. So yeah, it's up to you, and you can always see when the next stage will pop up. Basically, you see how much is raised. Currently they raised 2,778,000, which is absolutely insane. and then you have the whole roadmap. Phase 1 is called spawning, as you can see. Phase 2 is layer 2 dev work begins. Then we have phase 3 pre-sale live, and so on. We can keep scrolling. Phase 4 is decentralized and centralized exchange listings. And then we have layer 2 bridge launch and decentralized exchange unveil. And look at this, guys. 1000x. That's what we are obviously hoping for, because the price currently is really affordable. Like, you can go jump in with 1000 USDT, let's say, you will receive 41,000 BPEP. So yeah, it's a really good value, and it will just keep on growing with each next stage, right? So that's what is definitely worth noting. So let's keep going. Let's see what else they have on the website before we move into white paper. Obviously, guys, you can also go ahead, read the articles. As you can see, the last stage is 8.64 cents. So 4 times more expensive practically than it is right now. So it's good to take advantage early, but obviously all up to you, as I always say. They have an information how to buy. You have different options. You can buy on site or send directly to wallet. So yeah, it's up to you, whatever you prefer. Honestly, buying on site, in my opinion, is easier, and you also can buy with anything really you want. So you just connect your wallet and you are good to go. Yeah, up to you again. Let's go over the tokenomics, guys. This is really cool. That's where you can see all the exact stages. So we have different token allocations, mostly the same. As you can see, the stage 1 was 20 million, then you have 35 millions each, up to the last stage, which is 50 million. And you can see that right now it's relatively cheap to get in, because it's 2 cents 43, then it will be like 3 cents 59. But yeah, the end stages, which, as you can see, each stage is like increasing the price in 5%, and you can also see what is your cumulative gain from the price that you buy right now. So technically, if you get in right now, at the end of the stages, you are already up 300%, right? So that's crazy, like almost 300%. I think you would need to get in at stage 1 to be up 300%, but still. I like the token spread out here, because 50% goes to community, 15% goes towards staking and rewards, which is also great. 10% goes to liquidity, 10% goes to development, which I consider absolutely fair. 10% for marketing, which, I mean, this thing markets itself, and if they will start to pump in even more marketing, this could go absolutely incredible. And then 5% for treasury. So yeah, very straightforward tokenomics. No 40% or 80% allocation to the team like they did in Trump. So yeah, that's really nice. They also have this giveaway, guys. As you can see, weekly giveaway 1 million BPEP. If you want, you can go ahead and enter it. You have all the info on the website. And then we go to the team, which, as you can see, this is the team, guys. You can see that the guys really have a lot of experience behind them, and they definitely know what they are here for and what to do. So that's great, fully transparent. You can also see the audit that I showed you at the beginning, that they are KYC verified. I also like the theming, the website in itself. It's really cool, very appealing to all the meme people, as I said, so that's cool. Definitely, guys, if you want to stay updated with BitcoinPepe, if you want to know what is currently happening within their ecosystem, or generally within the project, be sure to follow them on Twitter. As you can see, I'm also among the followers. They post a lot here, and you can always be updated with all the new things. Same with their Telegram, if you want to integrate with community, investors, and if you have any questions to ask the team, then you should definitely go ahead and check out the Telegram. Last but not least, I would even say the most important thing is the white paper. So white paper, they definitely get a big plus for having it on Gitbook instead of PDF. It's really cool. And you can read all the informations here. What is their philosophy, why BitcoinPepe, why you should choose them among other meme coins, what they're trying to achieve, how they will do it, all the tokenomics, all the pre-sale informations, the whole roadmap, which, as you can see, is also divided into all the points, because on the website we could have seen what they have planned, but here we have it all written down. So yeah, you have the phase 1, which is pushing social medias, all of that, some giveaways, some content, then some more marketing, building the project in itself, claim and listing, Then we have phase 3, strategic social media and content push, unlock stake tokens, galvanize community through active engagement to increase audience buy-in and incentivize long-term holding. And then we have phase 4, PEP, King of Bitcoin, Q4 2025. They want to deploy the mainnet, validate on layer 2 bundle transactions with optimistic rollups, record state to Bitcoin, node and validator recruitment drive, launch Bitcoin bridge, launch meme focus deck. So it's really ambitious project. You know that I appreciate ambitious projects because, well, if you think about it, you might see it as a meme at first glance, right? But if you go deeper into it, it's just a meme. But like the meme is just at the front, right? But behind the meme is a whole big utility project, right? So it's cool because it attracts like both niches or audiences, right? It attracts the meme people, it attracts the people that like utility, new solutions as well. So yeah, it's really cool. You can also see by details how they are planning to attack this, if I could say like that. So yeah, really cool. There is also a lot of influencers talking about them, which I'm definitely not surprised about. So I also want to jump in on the hype train because the hype is definitely there for a reason when it comes to this project. So if you guys want and if you don't want to miss out, then I will plug the link in the description. You can get into the pre-sale if you want, and be sure to let me know in the comment what you think about BitcoinPepe. I will, as always, engage with you in the comments. I want to check your opinions. I want to discuss with you guys. So yeah, that will be it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next ones coming out soon.